To sign out of your YouTube account from other devices, simply follow these steps. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. First of all you have to do is open YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here tap on the Google account option available right below your YouTube name. Now from the above tab available, simply tap on the security and scroll down till you find the option manage all devices. So as you can see, your devices option available there. Tap on the manage all devices in the blue highlights. Then here you can see all the devices that is logged in using this YouTube account. Now tap on the device you want to log out from. And then you can see sign out option available. Simply tap on the sign out and you'll be signed out of that device. Now repeat the same process from all the individual devices.